I guess I didn't mention that with all this rain, we didn't start a fire, so everything that we brought, we have to cook on a fire.
Can you bring us some dry wood?
We kind of need a fire in order to eat, because I thought we'd do healthy, completely off the grid. Oh yeah, okay. So
Off the grid what?
off the grid cooking, other than Jay had to grab something just in case.
Thank God I did, because
I guess for dinner we're having chocolate chip muffins. Yay.
they were too good to pass. And then when we got back, it started raining, so I mean, 2 and 2 together. No wood. Muffins. Hey, it's healthy. It's got milk, eggs, wheat. I think it's healthy. You guys down below, just tell us whether or not this is healthy. Because right now, this is all we got right now until this rain stops. So.
We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure.
A hell of a biker to have something like that, eh? This is hard on the knees. The ground's all wet. Okay, we got enough here to get it going.
Okay, so we need one of my candle starters, candle wax starters right here. We use, these are also good for keeping the bugs away too.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get this first, Rona. We're gonna use these thin pieces.
This is where I get those candle starters from. This is what I do. We have this here, right here, that burns oil, or actually wax that turns to oil. So what I do, what I do is once I've soaked up some of the wax, I put it in a bag and I save them for fire.
That right
Knife work. Don't pull on it yet. Let it catch the candle wax, and then it should go. The trick with the candle wax is leaving some of the cotton ball to catch fire. Because if it's all candle wax, then it's hard to light. And it's got a nice smell. Smell it?
Sure.
Keep the mosquitoes away. We are making one pot shepherd pie. Hopefully we can get this made before dark. A little bit of vegetable oil. Ground beef. Mosquitoes. I don't think mosquitoes add flavor, do they? Let's get this on. Oh, hold that weight.
I'm hoping so.
Here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some onion pieces, some red onion pieces. For some flavor. Flavor.
What happens if you dump it all in?
No, I don't want to dump it all in. And then I mix some salt and pepper and Mrs. Dash together. Mostly pepper by the looks of that. Okay, hang on, I gotta stir it up. Over the flame a little more. It's bubbling. There we go.
This is what?
This is going to be homemade shepherd's pie in one pot. Whether I can do it or not, we'll see.
Somebody want to stop and go get me a Big Mac?
Okay, mushrooms, peas.
Oops,
Ah, hot. Hot, 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 hot. And corn. I haven't figured out how we're going to do the potatoes yet.
This is a big slop. We call it, what do you call it? Shepherd's slop.
It's not going to turn out with one pot, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But we didn't have a whole lot of room, so I had to make whatever work. So this has to work. So how are we going to make the potatoes? If we put them in there, we won't get them out. So we're in a dilemma here.
How about you hold your hand out and I'll pour the water on and then we'll mix it.
Right, there you go. I'm glad you didn't have too much to drink.
That container out.
Plan, I guess we're gonna have to take this out. Put it on a plate. It's really hot. And then once we put this on a plate, we're going to make the potatoes, spread them on the bottom, and dump this back on top of the potatoes. So now, this is how we make our shepherd's pie. Oh, We only have a fork. We don't even have a spoon. So this is gonna have to work. First I'll do this before I forget. We didn't bring scissors either.
I do have a knife though.
We do, but teeth are good too.
Don't try this at home.
Packaged mashed potatoes. They're actually pretty good. Okay. 2 cups of water. Boiling water. Would help if I had a spoon.
The only other problem is the meat and stuff should be on the bottom and the potatoes on the top, but it might be the other way around.
It's going to be the other way around.
You need a little more water.
I think so. It's kind of hard to justify 2 cups when you don't have anything to measure.
Just a little bit more and that's it.
This is my handy dandy trusty freaking cookie spatula. I love it for everything. This is not gonna work.
Upside down shepherd's pie.
Hey, it works. When you're hungry, it don't matter. I don't think the bears around here are gonna complain, are they?
I hope not to see any.
We are in bear country. And wolves. Actually, wolves are probably more of a problem than bears around here. But okay. There's your... It won't spread. There's your shepherd's pie.
Good.
Did you put enough ketchup on it?
Mm-hmm.
Take away the flavor?
No, I can still taste the flavor.
Sounds like you're begging for fucking Amazon or where is it?
What a scary thing to wake up to.
No way. We're supposed to film people sleeping. This is what we look at in the mornings.
What, we look at it in the mornings?
Yeah. Scary.
We're camping, man.
Yeah, we got our fire going.
Coffee.
Mama's got her coffee. I got mine over here. Yeah, hot water. We're laughing. What do you think?
I think it's a new day and a new adventure.
Suns, blue skies. It's all around good.
What's on the agenda today, Jay?
I like to get me a new pillows, but that pillow sucked last night. But
We're camping, Jay.
yeah, it's not a fire starter. It's not a but there is room for a 40-footer right there.
Oh, you wouldn't get it up this hill.
Oh, that hill. Yeah, it'd probably. Yeah, that'd be interesting.
Oh, it's raining again. The pot's gonna fall over. What a good way to heat up your coffee in the morning. You smell like plastic.
Yeah, like a big yellow condom.
Condom.
Well, it's a rain day.
Yeah. Again.
Yeah, our little tent thing here for sitting outside is dripping like a sieve.
Yeah. Drip, drip, drip.
Yeah, we even duct taped it just so we can plug the holes. We used it for covering our hay on the horse trailer, but it ain't holding up to its standards, I guess, from the dollar store. It's actually not too bad considering it's from the dollar store, but and then our tent over there, I mean, it's just it's peachy. I don't know.
It's leaking too.
It leaks too. Might have to clean out the trailer and put everything in the tent and sleep in the trailer.
Oh God.
So stay tuned with us, and you'll see our next adventures.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And remember,
Live.
love.